Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Coinbase Wallet. First open coinbase.com website on the browser app. Tap here to open the menu. Here go to Individuals and Wallet. Here tap on Download Coinbase Wallet. Here choose the download method based on your device. Installing app is pretty straightforward, just like with every other one. After finished, let's open it. Tap on Create New Wallet. And that's it. Now you can use your wallet. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.